Well, folks, it's January, so you know what that means. It's audition season! Hi, if you're new here, my name is Noelle Roth, and I'm a working actor, singer, dancer, and I'm gonna take you with me for a week full of auditions. It's January 6th right now, and this is my first in-person audition of the season. I'm not too nervous about it. I just got here, just parked, put some lipstick on, and I'm feeling pretty ready. I'm hoping I'm gonna see some friends with this audition, because it always makes it better to have friends to hang out with in the waiting room, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm feeling pretty good, pretty ready, so let's do this. Okay, just like that, first audition of the season, done. I was in the building for like literally 30 minutes. They were able to see me so quickly. I didn't have an appointment because this was an EPA, and I am EMC though, so I get priority like on the audition list, and I get seen before the non-unions. So I literally was in the building for 30 minutes. I felt so good about my audition though. Hold please. Okay, we are back in my car. Yeah, I felt really good about my audition. I knew some people that were in the room, and they were just like it's always like comforting to know people like on the panel. And I felt really good about how I sang. I don't feel like my nerves got in the way. Like, it felt very easy, and it really just like, I don't know, it just felt good. And the confidence was great. I will say though, as I was like waiting to like go into the room, I was like lined up already. Maybe you can hear it, but I just like experienced the worst like dry mouth of my life. So I should probably hydrate before the rest of my auditions this week. But I was just like, trying to chew on my tongue and get like saliva. So TMI, sorry. But I felt great about how it went. They even like talked to me about like, they were like, oh, you went on for Peggy Sawyer when you understudied like last year. Like, so yeah, I just felt good about it. So we'll see. It's out of my hands now. We'll see what happens. I almost forgot the most important thing. It's time for a post-audition treat. But I don't know what I want. I kind of want coffee. I had coffee, but I was up really early this morning, and it's like 11 a.m. right now. And I already taught and auditioned, so I can't decide if I want coffee or if I want like a bagel or like some food. So I think I'm gonna like look on maps right now and like see what's around me. And I'll keep you updated. All right, y'all, post-audition treat acquired. I ended up at Starbucks because, well, honestly, I wanted to go to like a cute like local coffee shop. But like everywhere I was seeing like didn't look like they would have like easy parking. So I just ended up at the Starbucks because I had to drive through, so yeah. Boy, oh boy, do I have an update for you guys. So it's Thursday. I last saw you guys on Monday. That was my last audition. And I was supposed to be prepping today for the audition that I have tomorrow, but the audition that I have tomorrow actually got canceled. Like the entire EPA got canceled just due to some unforeseen circumstances and things going on. So I'm hoping that it's gonna get rescheduled. But yeah, as of right now, the audition that I have tomorrow is not happening. And I'm wondering if the same thing is gonna happen to the audition that I have on Saturday. That remains to be seen. But I did just go get a bunch of headshots printed. That's me, that's my face. So we'll see, I'll keep you guys updated. Well, a lot has happened since I last checked in. That video you just saw was from like over a week ago. All of my auditions that week ended up getting postponed due to just like things that are happening in the world right now. I'll just leave it at that. And so now it is a little over a week later, and I'm sitting out here for a dance call. So one of the auditions I was meant to go to, I thought was only an EPA, which was like you sing first. But I also found out that when they rescheduled, they also scheduled in a dance call. So, and I've heard that it's tap, so I was like, I need to go to the dance call because tap is kind of like my main thing. So I'm at a dance call right now, a noon dance call. I'm about to go in, and then I have another audition tonight. And the audition right now is directly north of me, an hour, and the audition tonight is directly south of me, an hour. So it's, you know, it's gonna be a lot of driving for Noelle today, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we did it, you guys. First audition down. and so is my hair. I ended up taking my hair out for the singing portion just because I think it helps make me look a little bit older, and that's always the goal. The audition went great. I felt really good about it. We danced a jazz combo first, and then once that combo was over, we learned part of the tap combo, but we learned it just in character shoes, like in soft shoes, and then they were going to have us come back later tonight to dance the tap combo, but me and several other people were like, hey, we have another audition tonight, you know, somewhere else, so we have a hard out, you know, at 4 p.m. we can't come back that late to dance again, so they let us just do the tap combination in like our soft shoes, and then they had us sing, and that's it. So they did make some cuts, so I made it all the way till the end, so I feel good about it. So now we're just waiting to see what's gonna happen with that. I just got home. I'm gonna eat. I am so hungry. I did not have lunch. I'm literally starving. So I'm gonna eat, and then I need to pick a dress to wear to tonight's audition. Tonight's audition is an EPA, so I'm only gonna be singing, but I literally have no clue what I'm gonna wear, so we're gonna pick an outfit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my mother is downstairs heating up some vegetarian tostadas for me to eat because I'm so hungry. But here's one of the options I was kind of thinking of. This is an audition for like a whole season of shows, but one of the shows in particular that I'm kind of like aiming for is set in like the, you know, 50s kind of era, I would say. Just a very retro vibe. So I was thinking about this dress, which I know you can't tell too much on the hanger, but it has these like big poofy sleeves. The thing I'm worried about with this dress though is I'm afraid it's gonna make me look younger. So let me find some other options. Okay, I found a couple of other options from my vintage dress collection that I could also work. So I have this one. This one is like a reproduction of a Marilyn Monroe dress, so this could work. Or I also have this guy that is green with a striped bottom, and then it has a belt, so it's belted. I feel like not the yellow. That's what I'm leaning towards. I'm leaning towards either the blue or the green. Let me see what my mom thinks. Okay, she likes the blue, so we're gonna go with the blue. I need to fix my hair and makeup because that dance call was intense, and now my makeup and hair looks crazy, so we're gonna do that too. But I'll be right back because I need to go eat my tostadas, okay? Okay, I'm gonna fix my makeup, my hair. I ate my dinner. It was so good. And then I'm gonna put the dress on. Oh, don't look at my laundry. Oh my god, I literally have a giant pile of clean laundry I need to put away. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I'm gonna fix my makeup and my hair, and then I'll get dressed, and I'll show you the final look. All right, here's the audition outfit. I'm gonna wear character shoes, and I'm gonna take off the sweater, but let's go. All right, you guys, I'm back in the car. I just finished my audition, and I actually changed into sweatpants and a sweater that I brought with me so that I could be like cozy on the drive home. And 10 out of 10 recommend, if you're gonna go to an audition and you gotta drive like an hour home, like bring cozy clothes. Just do that for yourself, like trust me. It's late at night. It's like, what time is it? I think it's like 9:30 now. So they were running about like 50 minutes behind, but it really wasn't a big deal. I just waited, I sang, I felt really good about it. I felt really good about like what I sang, what I wore. And it was a panel of like probably like 10 to 12 people, like because they were auditioning their whole season, all the creative teams were there. And as I finished singing and walked out, they were like, smart choice about my song. So they liked my choice of song. They asked if I had point work. He's like, do you still have your point work? One of the panel members that knew me, and I was like, yeah, I do. So yeah, I felt really good about it. Chatted with the panel, felt like I sang well, and yeah. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. Let's drive home. I showered. I took my makeup off. And it's time for a post-audition treat. I have a lemon raspberry muffin and a cup of tea. What a wild week it's been. Thanks for coming with me this week on all of my auditions. I guess it was technically like a week and a half. Some of the auditions I was going to take you guys with me on were postponed and have still not been rescheduled. So we'll see where that goes. If you guys like this type of content, if you like coming with me on my auditions, let me know. I'll take you on more. Drop a comment and leave some guesses of like what shows you think I maybe auditioned for, because I would love to hear your guesses if you made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for being here. Please like the video, subscribe, and tell me what else you guys want to see. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye!